Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes settings not opening in Windows 10 fix. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command text from description and paste it. Restart computer. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. Type exit from command prompt. Restart computer. If same error still exists, third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type dism.exe// online / cleanup -image / scan health. Type dism.exe// online / cleanup -image / restore health. Type exit from command prompt. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.